Hello friends, welcome back with one more sentence correction question. This is again one of the official guide questions. It is logical meaning and idiomatic error. Look at passage what it says. The proposed urban development zones do not represent a new principle. It was employed in Operation Bootstrap in the Puerto Rico. Now, what is the information here? Information, it says that development zones do not represent new principle and it was employed. So here it means what? Zones or principle. So do not represent a new principle, it was employed, so it does not give logical meaning. And here it means either principle or zone is also a question, and that's why there is redundancy in meaning. So option A out. Option B says zones represent not a new principle but one that was employed in Operation Bootstrap. So not X but Y, and that is called idiomatic construction or parallelism construction. So B seems fine. C says zones are not a new principle. The same one was employed. So now here it says zones are the principle, right? It says zones are not new principle, incorrect meaning. Zones represent principle, zone itself or themselves are not principle, so incorrect meaning. Option C out. Same problem with option D and same problem with option E. All three options are saying zones are not new principle. Though the intention, because zones cannot be principle, zone can give principle, and that is why C, D, E out, B remains best option.